Pas vraiment besoin de parler, vous savez pourquoi on est là. Bonjour, bienvenue sur la suite du let's play sur Dispatch et aujourd'hui épisode 6. Alors, en espérant que ça vous plaise, moi ça continue de me faire vivre tout un tas d'émotions, je trouve que je fais beaucoup de choix logiques, enfin en tout cas qui me correspondent. J'aime beaucoup la manière dont je gère les différentes relations et les personnages, le côté, rancard avec, Aurore me je trouve un peu plus logique, la manière dont je gère les super-héros et la manière de se repentir. J'aime bien aussi. On continue, c'est exceptionnel. Pour moi, c'est un jeu vraiment exceptionnel. On va essayer de continuer dans ça. Avec l'épisode 6 du jour. Mmh. Ah, je crois qu'on est dans le Mechaman là. Ouais, on est dans le Mechaman.
Hey everybody, I appreciate you coming to see this. Your support means a lot.
Can't believe you actually hung out with those fuckers.
You jealous, old man?
Let
Et
me
le
guess,
baston.
you get into a bar fight? I'm right, right. That's what criminals do at bars. They ruin everybody's fun. Fact. If you're gonna make me stand next to a criminal, you could at least hurry.
C'était une bonne soirée.
If you're gonna make me stand next to Benjamin's fucking button, you could at least change his diaper.
You're the only one here that's full of shit.
Yeah, you missed a good night. We had some drinks, there was karaoke.
Ah oui, il y avait un karaoké.
Chad.
Okay, protocol test 19 ready to commence. We good when you
Allez, on espère que c'est la bonne cette fois.
Engaging protopulse. Now.
On y croit.
All readings super stable.
Allez,
Here we go. Time to make
contractez les muscles, salut, pause super héroïque. Pause super héroïque.
Alright, ready for launch.
Roger that.
Allez. Oh, stylé. Oh, le flex. Aura farming.
Not bad, right?
Looks better than the original.
The smoke is a little overkill.
Ah oui, mais bon, ça c'est normal.
But I think the purple is a nice touch.
What smoke? Shut it down!
Ah, la fumée c'est pas bon. Aïe aïe aïe. Oh non.
Shit!
Aïe aïe aïe. Hmm. Oh. Oh putain, oh le logo magnifique, magnifique. Oh. Hôpital? Ouais. Oh l'échec était violent là. Oh le chien, c'est pour m'abattre. C'est vraiment pour m'abattre. Trop mignon.
Welcome back.
Aïe aïe aïe.
How long was I out?
About 15 hours, I think.
Oh il doit se sentir
You
trop
okay,
mal.
Royd? Why do you look worse than me?
It's over, brother.
Hmm.
I cannot recreate the astral pulse.
C'est pas tellement sa faute en vrai, hein.
Too much power. Too small a size. No pulse mean I can't make the man Mecca. I'm not good enough, bro.
Oh
Fail you.
non.
I failed everybody.
Mais pas du tout.
Almost bring down the whole team. Almost get you.
Moi je crois en lui.
Almost get everybody blowed up.
Hey, listen. You might not believe in yourself right now, but I believe in you, Royd.
Oui, moi aussi.
It's not a little league game, brother. This real life.
Royd, You did your best. I can't ask for anything else. Thank you.
C'est le boss. C'est le meilleur. Voilà. Check. C'est important.
I heard that big bastard crying in the bathroom. Makes it hard to shit when somebody's
Oh,
doing
le
that
pauvre.
next to you, you know?
Pretty distracting.
Super.
Yeah.
Merci. Merci, Chase.
Everyone else okay? Invisigal?
Fine. One thing she's good at is disappearing when people get hurt.
What's your deal with her? You give everyone shit, but it always seems extra
Mais c'est vrai.
busy.
C'est vrai qu'il
She's
accroche
a
beaucoup.
liability. And one of us needs to be objective when it's clear something's going on between the two of you. Don't think I
Alors,
don't
non,
see
du
it.
coup.
It's all over your stupid face. You like her. So I got a hater for both of us.
C'est juste qu'elle est difficile, quoi.
She's challenging, which requires extra effort.
C'est profond, quoi. C'est un truc.
Seems like a
Il y a
lot
des
of
traumas,
extra
quoi.
effort.
Yeah, I just said that. So, I don't know. Read that however you want.
Look, just be careful, kid. Some people, they're black holes. You reach
Ah,
out to
attention,
help
son
them,
raisonnement
they
est pas
just
très sain,
suck
hein, à
you
Chase,
in
là.
and do whatever the fuck black holes do, I don't know. They fuck you up.
Your new
Attention.
look screams I know some science shit, so I was with you the whole way.
Nah, come on, take the day off.
No, really. I'm fine. All I've got to do is sit at a desk.
Desk work
Oui, ça va.
doesn't land you in the infirmary. Think about that.
I'll mull it over.
Le chien. Avec nous, le chien. Oh. Stylé, lui.
Stick to the
Ah.
plan. If they're red ring or enhanced, proceed with caution.
Au rapport.
One sec. What are you doing up?
Il se fait remplacer. Évidemment.
You really gave us a scare.
Tu
Turns
m'étonnes.
out, I'm completely fine. Just sort of time traveled several hours into the future where I feel
Ouais.
pretty rested.
Oh, cool, yeah. That happens to me every night.
Wish I could say the same. How's the ship going?
Good? Yeah. Challenging. Made
Ouais.
worse by all the enhanced villains we're dealing with lately. I have a whole new appreciation for you.
Tu m'étonnes.
I'm sorry about the pulse. Give us some time. Royd's a little down, but
Il va y arriver.
I'm sure we can come up with alternate power sources.
Ils vont y arriver. C'est évident.
Hey, really looking forward to tonight. Perfect timing.
Yeah, same.
C'est quoi ce soir?
Wait, what do you...
Hein? Oui, parce que oui, si lui il réagit, c'est que même nous on n'est pas au courant. As. Allez, bref,
I'm no
on
dispatch
reprend
dude,
mission.
but I don't know if sending him a level at his sub at Sunday school was the move.
Ah d'accord. Ah oui, j'avoue, c'est pas très logique. Vas-y, on y va, on reprend le boulot. Alors, divertir. Divertir, ça va être du charisme. Le garder à l'heure, c'est un fouteur de trouble. Ok, on va faire toi et toi. Et ici, attendre patiemment dans la longue file d'attente, se fondre dans la file pour ne pas ressembler à un revendeur. Attends.
Hop,
j'ai envoyé elle.
C'est Invisigal qui doit y aller.
Alright. Sorry I'm late. What I miss?
Est-ce qu'elle a réussi? Ah, 58%, j'ai peut-être pas misé sur le bon cheval là.
Trying to figure out
Ah,
how
j'ai
you
échoué en plus.
settled on Flambé.
Toi, tu vas. Ah, bah en plus, ouais, ok, je vais te mettre en point de compétence. Perturbation ici.
Taco shit.
Ah, c'était Golem.
You've had taco shit since the
Il faut
start of
fuir ou il faut
right?
tenir bon?
Euh,
Je dirais
sure.
tenir bon.
Yeah.
Ça doit
let's
être
go with that.
combat peut-être
I
ou.
Taco shits. Like Invisigal said.
Bombarde-le d'amour, soudoie-le, bats-toi. Bats-toi avec le tigre.
Which is
Combat.
why this doesn't make sense as an excuse, but it's
8
totally
et on a 9. Parfait. Top.
Give us the gift back.
Nah,
passe.
I'm still gonna drink it. I don't care if it tears a hole in my stomach.
Damn, we were low-key hoping you'd talk.
I was gonna scoop it out of your
Okay.
trash after you clocked out.
Allez, un petit truc à faire. Un petit piratage. On y va. Alors, on a du temps, fais attention. Hop. Hop, ça. On prend. Au bas. Au bas. Ok, là on est bon. Au bas. Attends, c'est là. Ah, c'est pour ça, il en fallait deux. Je vois maintenant, il y a le logo qui apparaît. Alors on a dit au bas. Et... Alors c'est haut, bas, gauche, droite, gauche. Haut, bas, gauche, droite, gauche. Haut, bas, gauche, droite, gauche. Parfait. Gauche, droite, bas, haut. Et c'est validé pour celui-ci. On est bon. Nickel. Un petit peu de repos pour... Pourquoi il est en déprime lui? Ah parce que j'ai oublié le premier.
Hello?
J'ai failli là.
Yes, it's that time of month again.
Nettoyer à fond et rapidement le domicile de la cliente.
My abode.
Alors on va mettre Golem, non, on va mettre Invisimeuf.
Oh, sure.
Nettoyer à fond, ouais, vas-y, ça me va.
Down the fort, okay?
She did the best she could. Must be a bit rusty.
She's been away from the desk too long.
I thought this was an easy job.
Well, it's not. I just make it look easy.
Il est trop fort.
Shit, Robin. You're actually cool. He's
Ok,
not.
est-ce que t'as
He's
réussi?
been gone all day, so it seems like
Hmm.
he is.
Pas sûr. Ah putain, non même. J'ai même pas du tout réussi. Ah, dommage, désolé. Deux fails là.
We had it.
On se reconcentre peut-être un peu? Calmer la bagarre entre les phénomènes. Donc ça c'est... Ah putain, mais il est en mode araignée là. Arrêter le phénoméman fan perturbé, l'escorter. Golem,
Oh, what's it going to be this time?
Malévola et Prisma.
I'm still thinking about
Comme ça au moins on valide celui-ci, on est sûr.
Okay, were the tacos actually good or was it just 3 a.m.?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm with the big guy on this one. I think it was both.
Could always go again, just to be sure.
Alors je pense qu'il parle de la soirée avec le bar là. Phénoméman est de retour. Est-ce que vous avez réussi? Ça, le contraire m'étonnerait. Bon, en plus vraiment 100%. Ouais. Voilà. Ça c'est cool. On va partir sur toi.
Robbie, heads up.
Oh putain. Enquêter sur sa maison supposée hantée et rassurer la propriétaire en confirmant qu'elle n'est pas maudite.
Clear the way, you wankers.
On va mettre les deux là.
Right.
Hey team, Blazer's doing a speech over the college, and one of you will be there
Ils sont
to
là pour
hear
les
it.
côtés.
I got it.
Bah c'est lui du coup. Il reste deux persos, ça craint un peu. Divertir le maire et le public, faire preuve d'intelligence. On n'a pas d'intelligence, malheureusement.
There's a full-on gang
Et l'autre
war
truc, c'est
happening
quoi?
in the warehouse district. Looks like Red Ring and the Frigos.
Shit. Red Ring's closing in on
Arrêter
this
le
biker
gang,
gang.
éviter que ça
That's actually
dégénère.
the Frigos. They're an e-biker gang. Way worse.
Ok.
Understood.
Je pense. On sera doublé. Ah, c'est pas la défaite ça? Ah, ok. Ah, rien à voir, c'est un autre scénar. Bon, on va envoyer les deux qu'on a.
No, I'm not flexing. That's
Toi,
how my body looks.
t'as fait ton
all
pouvoir. Alors, méga chauve-souris. Sonar est immunisé aux blessures et son temps de repos est réduit de moitié. Hybride, Sonar est envoyé en mission et qu'il échoue. Son bagou lui permet de réessayer. Je préfère le premier, à la limite. Comme ça, le temps est réduit de moitié. J'aime bien. Hop, et là je vais pouvoir envoyer deux persos. Intelligence, parfait.
Nice choice.
Et divertir. Je dirais je vais mettre les deux là. Ça me semble bien.
Oh, did you guys get
Toi,
Vanessa and his wife got
t'es pas
divorced?
bon.
Sure did.
Calmer ou
Brand
examiner.
portfolio is fucked.
Examiner, ça serait quoi à votre avis? Ce serait intelligence? Donc je dirais calmer avec charisme, on a 6. Je pense que c'est intelligence l'autre. Ouais, j'ai bien fait de choisir celui-là. Ça passe quand même pas. Mais c'était le plus logique. Je pouvais pas faire mieux. Donc je m'en veux pas trop. Je m'en veux pas trop. Ok. Toi, est-ce que t'as réussi? Ah, t'étais toute seule, là. Je pouvais pas envoyer... Oh, ça passe. Ouh, 21% ça passe, parce que là je partais sur des échecs critiques. Hein.
Good work.
Parfait. On a personne de dispo? Si, on en a 2. Ah attends, il est déprimé lui, ça m'inquiète. Voilà, je le reprends. J'en ai besoin. Toi, jouez le rôle du héros de la prophétie.
What the fuck is a LARP?
Stands for live action role play.
Attends, il se passe quoi quand lui je le...
Sex thing.
Attends.
It's like people dressing up and playing pretend type shit.
Plus en combat et plus en track. Ok. Parfait. Ah, j'ai pas de perso. Ah, j'avais pas de perso. Roublard, barde, chevalier. Chevalier. Ou je galère là. Je suis en train de paniquer. Ok, ça passe. Lui il va se retransformer. Vous avez réussi ou pas là? 100%, parfait. Suivant. Ok, on en a 3 qui sont en repos, ils vont revenir. On est 5 persos du coup. Ah putain. Ok, celui-là. Sauvez les otages, appréhendez avant qu'ils reçoivent la rançon. Sauver les otages. Ok, donc il faut aller en mobilité. Ok, on va mettre les 3 qui sont là. Et ici, on a quoi? Envoyer flambeau décongelé, il est occupé.
Sorry, Flambe, but we can't risk you burning the trapped civilians.
Utilisez les points ou ce qu'il faudra pour briser la glace. Attention à ne pas blesser les civils. Ok, on va attendre un peu. Le problème, c'est que je viens d'envoyer flambeau. Oh, je suis dans la merde. Je suis dans la giga sauce. Attends, 2 secondes. En fait, je vais être obligé de utiliser les points. Ok, donc golem. Prisme. Ça me semble bien. Ok, ensuite, je vais là. Un conducteur de chariot élévateur sensible a fait tomber une cargaison. Donc intelligence. Ah parfait, on a sonar et malévola. Tout le monde est occupé, c'est très chiant. Ah mais putain. Ah ouais mais je peux pas le soigner. Donc là je perds les 2 missions.
Give me a minute, people.
Je perds les 2 missions. Aïe aïe aïe, la journée est catastrophique. Vous avez réussi vous ou pas?
Night, everyone.
Ouais vas-y c'est bon.
Oh, I'm pretty fucking beat. I'll see your dumb asses
Putain.
in the morning.
Ah bordel, j'ai fait un peu de la merde là. Ok, tout le monde a fini. 100% pour lui.
Jesus, that took forever.
Ok. Et 100% j'imagine ici aussi. Avec ça. Ah bon? Ah putain, et je la perds. Je croyais que c'était littéralement le contraire. Oh, j'ai fait de la merde. Aïe aïe aïe. 8 pour 4 et 3 ratés. Hein. C'est pas dingue. C'est pas ma meilleure stat. Ok.
mean, you know, it feels like for the first time in a long time, I can see a life without Mecha Man.
Oh putain, le
Which
pauvre.
I'm sure you would appreciate. Been nice that we get to spend more time together.
La Team Z est importante.
The Z team might fuck up for a while, but at some
Je vais
point,
être là pour eux.
they're gonna get good. And when that happens, they'll make a bigger impact than I ever could alone. But just when I feel like I got a handle on it, got it figured out, I think about Chase and my dad and Shroud, then I get all fucked up. You know what I'm saying, Beef?
Le petit chien est trop mignon. Je veux l'adopter. Il a pété.
Yeah.
Il a pété.
Exactly. See, this is why I appreciate her talks.
Bonjour Malévola, enchanté.
Are you decent?
Definitely a house that needs some warmth.
C'est une
Told him
effraction.
that the last time I came.
Je suis en classe. Ah, je suis en caleçon.
Worse.
I am in my underwear.
Yeah, I can see you. I was joking when I asked if you're decent.
I know. I just need you to
Mais-
know that I know how I look right now.
That
Qu'est-ce
rubs
qu'ils
off
font
better.
chez moi, eux?
You just have to put a little muscle into it. Do you know where you want to hang this?
Why are you holding a lamp?
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe?
I think he's only considered where he'd hang himself. That corner seems fine. It's a housewarming gift for your housewarming party, Robert.
Ah bah merci.
I
Hein.
told people to bring a lamp.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fout
Wait,
avec nous, elle?
People. More people are coming here to my home. Look, I'm not
Ouais.
really in a party mood right now.
Know what it looks like to me with you.
Elle accroche à sa queue, c'est incroyable.
Okay, she just touched my.
This is your family photo area? Kind of morbid. Which I'm kind of into.
Is that my work computer?
We figured it out, brother. The man can be Mecha again.
After your little premature Jack explosion, I had this.
Mais il y a la meuf qui... Malévola, elle est pas censée être au courant à côté.
Busy asked me to get the energy reading we got this morning and cross-reference with recent calls.
Wait. It's not destroyed?
Nope.
Il n'a pas été
And a
détruit.
bunch of B-grade villains have been trying to unlock its power only to end up blowing their asses off like you did. Then they sell it on the next sucker and the same shit. It's passed hands at least 4 times that we've tracked.
How does Shroud not know this?
Yeah, probably think like us. Think it was destroyed. But he's a smart fucker, and he gonna figure it out soon enough.
That's why we get to it first.
Which is why we're having a party?
The Z-Teamers know every low-level supervillain in 3 counties. We
Oui, c'est
track
vrai.
its location. They'll know who has it. Then we kick in some doors, knock some heads, snatch that shit back, and you'll be pulsing or whatever.
J'avoue, pourquoi elle fait ça?
Why'd you do all this?
I don't know. You helped me.
Ok,
Now I'm,
ouais.
I'm helping you. Just shut the fuck up about it until we find the thing.
So, one of the last pings that we got was from a boat over here in Marina Del Rey, which is
Oh, Yachty territory.
why she's here first. You know much about those guys?
Old money crew of ascot wearing cokeheads. Skylar
Okay.
Arcadia runs it now. 3 generations that family's been trying to finger me.
What are they accusing you of?
You're cute.
We're gonna ask you some questions about a piece of tech they moved. But first, Rob gotta put on pants.
Aw, what? But then I can't do this.
Yep, right on that.
Chelou. Hein. Warming party. Allez, régale-nous avec ta BO incroyable. Ah, j'adore. Hein. Je pourrais m'enjailler sur la BO de Dispatch tous les jours. Hein. Incroyable. Ah, il y a Sona qui est là. C'est une vraie famille en vrai. C'est trop bien, j'adore. Ce jeu est incroyable. Aïe aïe aïe. Il y a Golem. En juste flambeau hein. Aurore qui est là. Aïe aïe aïe. Ça me met le smile. C'est dingue. Incroyable. Bah oui. Et forcément elle est un peu jalouse d'Invisi Girl derrière. Ah, j'aime trop. C'est le mot que je voulais le plus prononcer de tous les let's play. Incroyable. C'est une dinguerie.
You understand how projectors work, right?
Felt more dramatic. And bare walls are a sign of depression.
Why is it always a warehouse by the docks?
It's where stuff comes in and stuff goes out. Not a rocket scientist, are ya?
No, that was my dad. What kind of security are you dealing with?
That's where it gets tricky.
Shit.
That's more than shit. You need a fucking army.
I'll go. Can't shoot what you can't see.
Look, this is really great work, but doing this tonight is out of the question. Hitting a secure location like this is something they would handle downtown.
Are you kidding? There's enough firepower in this room to take down a
Ah bah
fucking
oui,
hijack.
clairement, oui.
Bunch of drunk ass Z-teamers, please. Y'all wouldn't make it past the front door.
No one's asking you to do a goddamn thing, okay?
Hey, no need for that. We take the day to plan it with downtown and hit the warehouse
Il faut un
tomorrow
plan.
night.
Il faut clairement un plan.
Tomorrow night? This thing's not gonna sit still for that long.
Alors clairement,
If we don't grab
on
it, someone else will.
met un plan, les gars.
This is incredible, Viz, but Blazer's right. We make a plan. No need to rush.
Ah bah oui.
this.
There's no guarantee it'll be there tomorrow. We need to go now.
She said no. You understand that word, or has it got too many fucking syllables for you?
Why don't you go walk your ass around a mall?
Oh
Grandpa?
vas-y, putain.
Heroes are talking.
Les deux, faut
You
qu'ils se
are
calment.
no fucking hero.
Whoa, hey!
She named you Invisigal, you named yourself Invisibitch, and you had it fucking right.
Oh la vache.
Chase,
Wow.
you're drunk. You need to stop talking.
You want to get people hurt? Get people fucking killed? Then you need
Chase,
to go back
arrête,
to the
vraiment.
team where you belong.
Chase, that's enough.
This is crazy.
She thinks she's like you, but she's not. Robert doesn't need to keep going out there with
Oh,
no
il
power,
va
putting
loin
his
là.
life on the
Là, il
line
va
to
très
make
loin.
up for assholes like you. He doesn't need to be Mecha Man to be a hero.
Chase, please.
Wait, Robert's Mecha Man?
You playing them, you playing yourself. You think you're invisible, but I fucking see you.
Oh putain, il
You
vient de
don't
nous
know
cramer.
anything about me.
I know you're a liar, criminal. I know you're fucking dangerous. What else do I need to know?
Je commence vraiment plus à l'apprécier lui.
There. Now I know you're a coward.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Vizzy, wait!
That was a nice uppercut. That bitch sent his ass airborne.
Ouais, dehors, dehors, dehors. Tout le monde se casse.
That's a wrap. Everybody out.
That's enough for tonight.
Oh putain, mais il
I'm
abuse.
sorry, this turned into.
Putain, en
whatever
plus
just
il nous
happened.
crame quoi. Chier.
Anyone who utters one word about what happened tonight fucking answers to me. Got it?
Ouais, mets un bon coup de pression toi, t'as raison.
Visigal, look.
C'est flambeau. C'était sûr. T'es un poil en retard.
Frogs. From that
T'es à la bourre, mec. J'ai pas compris le move de Chase là, il a complètement déconné. C'est une dinguerie. Pourquoi il a fait ça en fait? Je comprends pas.
Oh, are you in timeout? Because you told all my coworkers my secret identity.
Ah putain de fou quoi aussi.
Thought you went home.
Came back to apologize. All these goddamn apartments look the same. That guy watching us from the balcony walked into his house thinking it was yours. Sorry about that.
Fuck you!
Hey,
C'est
he said he
incroyable.
was sorry.
Well, fuck you too!
Ok, ça marche. Ah, il a déconné, hein. J'ai pas compris le move en vrai.
You sure this ain't vodka?
She told you?
Made quite a first impression. Didn't know you were into spitting in people's mouths. Kinky shit. It's that internet somehow made sex boring.
Okay, now you sound how you look.
Another thing I can't do anymore. Fuck. Maybe it's why I say the word so much.
Sorry, Chase. I hadn't thought about that.
I had a pretty good run. You ever think about why we do what we do? Help people. Put it all on the line for someone who won't ever know you.
Ouais, voilà, c'est la bonne chose à faire, quoi. C'est logique.
Bedside when you get hurt.
It's just the right thing to do.
Sure. And you think the Z team will be able
Oui,
to tell the difference?
moi j'y crois.
That first week, Izzy was gonna walk off the team. You know, she's feeling low, talking about how she was born with powers that always meant she'd end up as a villain. Like he was fated. So, obviously, I gave her the pep talk, you know. Like, that's all bullshit. You make up your own fate, yada yada. I don't even remember what I said, but I do remember thinking, oh, fuck. Yeah, that must have been hard.
Ouais.
Like, if I didn't have you, you know, and my dad, where would I have ended up?
You were always good. That was always in you. It's what makes us different from a thief like her.
Oh, come
Lâche-la,
on.
putain.
What? You racist motherfucker, I never stole a fucking thing in my entire fucking life.
Chase, you've literally stolen things from me.
Oui, aussi.
Oh yeah, but that doesn't count. That was for somebody else.
What, you quietly contemplating?
Yeah, I guess I hadn't considered some things. But I think the answers are out there if you just listen to the wind.
Ça a tellement cassé l'ambiance.
I see why you and Beef get along.
Oh,
On le voit derrière en plus.
Oh, I'm sorry, my poor boy. That's it. There's my boy. There's my good boy. Who's a good boy? Beef is.
Petite alerte.
Is there a mic on this? Hey! Hey, can you hear me? The fuck are you doing?
Oh, not much. Just looking for your stupid ass
Oh
pulse that's somewhere on
putain, oh non.
this This one must have dropped their pin in the supervillain group chat, because this place is crawling with dipshits.
Oh la vache.
Good news is they don't know where it is either.
You know who's not good, Beefy boy? You know who's a real pain?
Fizzy.
Get out of there now.
Look, you're disappointed, I'm disappointed. I'm sure Chase will have some shit to talk about.
Oh là non, 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 non.
Okay, maybe if I can...
Ah putain.
I can trace the energy signal. Check the
Et il y en a pas un pour attraper l'autre entre les deux là.
Something would be great.
Chiant.
Start with something.
Putain, c'était pas prévu hein. Allez, on y va. Putain, mais sérieux quoi. Ok, alors attends, parce que là il faut que je... Vous savez, c'est le truc que j'ai loupé la dernière fois. C'est quoi ça? J'arrive toujours pas. Oh, au pif! Au pif! Vous savez, j'arrive pas à faire correspondre les sources. Ah, c'était ça! Oh, c'est compliqué, hein?
Energy reading coming from the
Captain's quarters.
Right, and I'm supposed to know where that is?
See that tower?
The biggest one. It's at the top.
Oh, perfect. So you want me to cross this active battlefield?
Look, I didn't want you to do any of this shit.
I get it, okay. Jesus.
Keep your eyes peeled for invisibility. Looks like she
Père Fouettard. Il s'appelle Père Fouettard. Bizarre.
Shit, they're onto me.
Oh,
Aïe aïe aïe.
there's a door to your left.
Fuck, it's locked. Feel free to take your time. Just
Allez,
catching up
super.
with some old friends.
Super. Ok. Donc,
Almost got it.
c'est-à-dire. Ok, on se barre. Attends, elle est où l'électricité là? Ok, là. Ça, on récupère.
I think I can use this.
Oui, tu peux l'utiliser, oui. Ici. Bon, ça, on fait ça, ça. Ok, c'est gauche, gauche, haut, droite. Parfait. C'est validé. Verrou. Ah, bien joué.
This fucking guy.
Okay, hey, Izzy, lead him towards that speaker tower. I've got an idea.
Ok.
Better be a good one.
Alors.
Follow me, Featherdick. I got something real cool to show you.
Voilà.
At the tower, do your thing.
Working on it.
Ça, on récupère.
Work faster.
On va le foutre ici. Comme ça, on récupère ça. Ensuite, on... Ah bah non, je peux pas le laisser. Si, je peux le prendre, pardon. Ça. Nickel. Bénef.
Busy, cover your ears.
Bien joué.
Is
Propre.
that why birds fly into shit?
Busy, look out, behind you.
Fuck me. How am I supposed to get around that?
Look, hey, just worry about not dying. I'll find you a way around.
Ça se bat bien, moi j'aime bien. Hein. Les petits pouvoirs comme ça, c'est sympa. Ok.
God, why does the crane have the hardest controls?
Ça, on sait pas. Gauche, droite, droite.
That's right.
Alors.
Me just pass.
Gauche, 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 droite. Ok. Merde. Quel con.
Oh, you fucking. Oh, yes. Fuck me, they're minding me.
Ok, c'est bon. Ah, c'était l'inverse, pardon. Et là, on est bon. Nickel.
Heads up, lights here.
Taxi.
The captain's quarters should be right in front of you.
Oh là là.
Full
Pompey le
Pompeii
cul.
on my ass? What kind
C'est
of
quoi ce
threat is
nom?
that? You gonna give me diarrhea?
Wait, no. That was predictable.
Bah oui.
Where the fuck is this thing? Because that's not gonna hold him for long.
It's in the safe.
A safe? I don't know how to open a fucking safe.
Alright, let me see
Okay.
what I can do.
Ouverture du coffre.
I'd say this was excessive, but
Just hurry up. They're almost through the door.
don't you mess
Alors.
with me.
Ah ouais, mais si je vais pas assez vite, moi. Ok, en haut. Ah! Ah! Ok. Ok, on va prendre lui déjà. Haut, gauche, droite, bas. Ah. Ah. Waouh! Ça passe. Ok, on prend ça. Gauche, droite, bas.
Yeah.
Ouh. On a vraiment frôlé la défaite. Hein.
Alright.
I don't know.
Nice.
Does it look like a little glowy butt plug?
You know what?
Ouais.
Yes, it does. Okay.
Un plug anal. Let's go.
Why did stop?
Ah,
Holy
Spectre.
shit, are they? Robert, what's going on?
I'm here. Just hang on. Trying to get the camera back online. I see you. You're good. Just take one step at a time.
C'est 100% Spectre qui est là.
Visigow,
Bah ouais.
stop.
Aïe aïe aïe. Hmm.
Hey, Vizzy, stay calm. Your inhaler.
Non.
Hey, Vizzy, he's just gonna keep fucking with you, but you don't give up, okay? Vizzy, you gotta fight. Please. Vizzy, hey, listen to
Oh
me.
là là.
You get up. Get up!
Keep up.
No!
Non.
You're good. Fucking keys.
Hey, we got this. No. No, don't fucking do this, please. Please, Chase. Please.
Ça m'a... C'est allé tellement vite. La vache. Je m'y attendais pas. Quand tu vois l'épisode qui commence mal, en fait, les deux ils se foutent sur la gueule. Au final, il va la sauver et il meurt parce que on a appris que quand il accélérait trop vite, il vieillissait. C'est pour ça qu'il a cet âge-là, alors qu'en fait, il en a pas beaucoup. Ah, ça m'a tué. Ça m'a tué. C'est le meilleur jeu du monde. C'est le meilleur jeu du monde. Bref, j'ai même pas envie de parler. On se revoit. Je vais faire une pause et on se revoit bientôt pour l'épisode 7.